Hey, Kessie.
Hello, Sobi.
Oh my god, it's been so long. How are you?
I'm good. How about you? You haven't changed at all.
Haha, same for you. I'm doing fine.
It's so nice to see you after so many years.
Yeah, really. I think it's been almost 5 years since we last met.
True. Time flies. Where are you working now?
I'm working in Canada as a doctor. And you?
I'm doing marketing work in a private company.
That's great. Married or still enjoying bachelor life?
Still single and you?
Same here. We should catch up more often.
Absolutely. Let's not wait another 5 years. Let's plan a meetup soon.
Done. It was really great seeing you today.
Same here, Sobi. Take care and stay in touch.
Bye bye, Kessie.
Bye, Sobi.